Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust the steering wheel on your Ford Expedition. First, locate the adjustment lever, typically found beneath the steering column. This lever allows you to unlock the steering wheel for movement. Once unlocked, you can easily position the wheel to your preferred height and reach. Remember, a properly adjusted steering wheel enhances both comfort and control, making your driving experience much more enjoyable and safer for everyone on the road. Adjusting the tilt of your steering wheel is crucial for optimal comfort and visibility. This feature allows you to move the wheel vertically, either up or down. You should position it so your lap has ample clearance, and you can clearly see all the gauges on your instrument panel. Aim for a height where your arms have a slight bend at the elbows when holding the wheel, typically at the 10 and 2 o'clock positions, ensuring relaxed control during your drive. Beyond tilt, your Expedition steering wheel also offers telescopic adjustment, allowing you to move it horizontally. This means you can pull the wheel closer to your body or push it further away. It's important to find a distance that allows your wrists to rest on the top of the wheel while your shoulders remain against the seat back. This ensures you are not too close to the airbag and can comfortably reach all pedals without overstretching your legs. Once you have found your ideal steering wheel position, it is critical to lock it securely. Push the adjustment lever firmly back into its original, locked position. Before driving, always give the steering wheel a gentle tug to ensure it is completely secure and will not move unexpectedly. A properly adjusted and locked steering wheel is fundamental for safe and comfortable driving, providing you with optimal control and reducing fatigue on long journeys.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.